Hello friends, in today's tutorial I am going to show you how to design this beautiful infographic in PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to format background. We will give it some different color. Decrease the color. Yes, okay. Go to insert, all shape, hold shift alt and drag it. Align center, align middle, shape outline, make it dashes, shape fill, no fill, shape outline. We will give it some dark color. Control D to duplicate it and place at the center of the circle. Shape fill, we will give it this color. Shape outline, make it no outline. Control D to duplicate it and decrease the size of the inner circle. Shape fill, white fill, decrease the inner circle and place it here. Format shape, shadow effect, we will give it some shadow effect. I think this is okay. Transparency will be maybe 75 is okay. Size 103. Blur, I think so, it's okay. Round rectangle and 5 point something 3 is okay. Make it rounded, full rounded. Shape outline, make it no outline, give it this color. Control D to duplicate it and decrease the whole shape by holding shift alt and place it here. Align perfect, left, okay. Control shift C and control shift V to transfer the effects of this color. Yes, I have some written text to save the time. Control C and control V. Place the text here and it's okay. White. Place the main text at the here at the circle of the center circle. Yes, left, down, more down, I think so. It's okay. Take the circle, all shape outline, make it more, and shape fill, white fill. Shape outline, make it its weight little bit increased. Yes, take the all shape, draw another circle by holding shift alt and shape outline, make it no outline and place at the center of the first circle. I think we will make it at the center of it. Control G to group it. Now place on one side at 6 points. Yes, control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it. Control D to duplicate it. Yes, place it here, Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Make the distance equal in each of these shapes. Okay. Yes, it's okay now. It's okay. By Control Shift and drag to the other side, we will get more 6 points. By Control Shift and drag. Control Shift and drag to the other side, Control Shift and drag to the other side. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, Control D to duplicate it and place at the same distance from each other. Yes, Control D to duplicate it, Control D to duplicate it. Yes, it's okay for now. Select all and by holding Control plus Shift and drag to the other side, place it here. Bring these forward to the center. It's okay. Also bring these two A's forward to the center. It's okay for now. And I think so, it's okay. Take a line segment and draw a line to the goes to the shape. Control D to duplicate it. And make a line segment to every types of the infographic. Control D to duplicate it and Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here to the other side. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Likewise with the other shapes, the line segment goes from the center to the infographic types. These are 12 types and we are going to complete the design. Yes, Control D to duplicate it and select all the line segment. Select all the line segment. Click right, send to back, shape outline, and make its dashes, and we will give it some dark color. Okay, insert icons. We will bring 12 icons. You can add your desired icon. You can find here in this icon tab. Yes, I will choose 12 to 13. I think so. I need 13 icons. Company. Okay, company or industry. Okay, and by holding Shift Alt and decrease the size of the icons. Oh, sorry. Control Z, select all, select all. Okay, and we will give it some different color, some this color. Yes, the color of the shapes. Now place all icons one by one according to your requirements. You can place these icons at their places. Place these icons. Okay, and by holding Shift Alt and drag this icon to make it little bit larger. Yes, and place it here. Subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.